Value is never declared. Value is detected. And today, we expose 5 laws that silently determine how others calculate your worth. Law 1. You over-explain. You justify simple decisions. As Carl Jung warned, what you over-defend exposes your inner doubt. Law 2. You tolerate small disrespect. You laugh when boundaries are crossed. As Carl Jung observed, what you permit shapes your psychological shadow. Law 3. You respond instantly. You make your time endlessly available. As Carl Jung noted, unchecked eagerness reveals dependency beneath confidence. Law 4. You seek approval before action. You scan faces for permission. As Carl Jung taught, dependence on validation weakens the self. Law 5. You cannot walk away. You cling to conversations and opportunities. As Carl Jung implied, attachment exposes the fear of inner emptiness.